It's lift tour time! This time it's the most awesome housing estate in the whole of England, Thamesmead. This is miles upon miles of high level walkways. This place is so fun, and as well as that, it's totally grotty, it's smelly and disgusting, which makes it even more fun. Let's explore it. Firstly, let's start with the eastern end of the housing estate, and no! They've added door locking! They've not just added door locking on the outside, but all of the passages. Every 100 metres you go, there's another locked door to stop people wandering around the passages. They've ruined it! They seem to be cleaning it up, which is just ruining it. I like modern places and I like old and grotty places, but old and grotty places made to be cleaned up are not modern. They're just kind of dull, really. But I did manage to get in one of the lifts over in the East End. Last time I was here, it wasn't an original lift, it was modernised in the 80s, but I've now replaced it with stupid generic.
Doors closing. Fourth floor.
Wow, that was such a fun lift ride. Not.
Doors opening.
And now, moving on to the central part of the housing estate, where there's the tower blocks. And yes, I managed to get in one of the tower blocks. And the lifts were old, original, express lifts. Yes! Let's ride it! And now moving on to the northern end of the housing estate, where there's some grotty shops, and the housing estate's been boarded off. All the people that lived here have been moved out. I don't know what they're doing. I don't know if they're pulling it down or just refurbishing it. I liked it how it was. And here is a lift I found over at the northern end. It's one of the lifts I remembered, which was modernised in the 80s. And now moving on to the western end of the housing estate, and this part's still how I remembered it. There's no locked doors here, and you can explore the maze of high-level passages. This is really fun and just how I remembered. Let's explore it!
Doors closing.